Meaning of golden goal.
Golden goal.
Golden goal.
Golden goal.
Golden goal. Golden goal is a term used in football, soccer, to describe a method of deciding the winner of a match that ends in a draw during knockout stages of a tournament. In this method, the first team to score in extra time wins the match. If no goals are scored during extra time, the match goes into penalties. The golden goal rule was introduced in 1993 but was abolished in 2004 due to controversy and criticisms of the unfair advantage it provided to the team winning the coin toss. However, it remains a memorable part of football history.